Remove the two screws securing the proximity sensor. Cut the cable ties. Pull the plugs. Remove the self-wrapping fabric. Remove the damaged sensor. Install the new one and tighten the two screws. The sensor is 2 mm higher than the nozzle. Tie the self-wrap fabric. Plug in. Tie and cut off excess cable ties. Go to Control Probe Z Offset. The nozzle will level itself, during which the proximity sensor will light up 3 times. Please replace the sensor if it doesn't light up or less than 3 times. Turn clockwise to increase the gap, counterclockwise to decrease, and the number should be negative. When there is a little pressure between the paper and the nozzle, it is just the right gap. Don't forget to press the knob to save the value.